Welcome to What's the Buzz with Miss Hardy and Miss Origio. Yes, we have had yet another setback, but as always, our hive keeps on buzzing. So, after Tropical Storm Michael kept us out of school for 2 days, we are back with a vengeance on Monday. We're going to have our vocabulary quiz 7 on Monday. We're going to continue with our HyperDoc number 2 as if we just stepped off our Wednesday. On Tuesday, we're going to have our formative assessment for characterization post test, and we're going to start the Odyssey on Wednesday. Don't forget that we have rescheduled vocabulary quiz 7 to Monday, but we will still be having vocabulary quiz 8 on Friday. In vocabulary quiz 8, the Greek and Latin root words are junct and rupt, and our SAT ACT words are Unit 8, edifice through elite. Sounds fun. To help people who may or may not have had power, your Common Lit assignment is due at midnight Monday as opposed to the first thing of your class. Okay? Your journal topics can be found on Google Classroom. This week we're going to try to get caught up, make sure we're all on the same page, and I'm very excited about our Odyssey discussion and our Cyclops activity which will be a group activity on Friday. I look forward to seeing everybody. We're going to start with capitalization and commas this week for our daily bell ringer, bringing our minds back together. And I cannot wait to see everybody on Monday. Have a great week, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow.